Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is clean up with me video. So if you're new here, a very big warm welcome to you. If you're an old friend, thank you very much for sticking around. I hope everyone is doing well. So it's another cleaning motivation. It's Sunday and I've got my big mug of tea and I need to get to clean all these cabinets because there's fingerprints and everything on it. So I need to get this done, and it's going to be a bit of family affair because I'm going to get the boys to get involved. They need to do some work. I gotta go to work tonight. Alright, so guys, today's cleaning, I am using my good old stuff. I'm using pink stuff for the cooker top, and I'll be using it inside the sink. So I'll use my good old Zoflara. I like this smell, Midnight Bloom. It's quite nice. It smells amazing. You can see I'm almost done with that bottle. So I'll use my Zoflara, and for all the cabinet and everything, I'm using the Method all-purpose one. This one is quite nice. It smells amazing, guys. If you go to the shops, you can grab yourself one because I've used it and it's nice. It's all purpose, so you can try that one. And my just normal clothes. That's it. So let's get into this video. Done. So I'm gonna do the same to the gas top. Plants on top of your things. Once in a while, just get them out and dust them because it gets so dusty. So at least not every day I do this. I just once in a while I just pick them up and just dust them and put it back where it belongs, or at least the place looks a bit nice. Hello, you. What did you do? Why is this wet? Hey. Go, JD. Go, JD. Go, JD.
A few moments later.
Go, JD. Go, JD. Go, JD. Go, JD. Guys, take a look at this place. So greasy. So I've sprayed some of the Method on there. I'm giving it a second while I'm just wiping, because these cabinets are new. I'm trying not to build the grease again because my old ones, it was built up with too much grease. So I'm trying so that it doesn't build again. I'm using sponge to wipe it all off. So So I'm thinking to be able not to stress over this again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe it off nicely, and I will use either cling film to cover the place. So anytime the grease builds up, I'll just stick it out, then voila. So that is a cleaning tip for you. If you manage to clean the top of your cabinet and you do not want to do the hard work again, it just came to my head, what can I do to make this thing go, that I'm not going to be standing here every... See, it's nicely open there, and give me the plastic one. So I am going to use this to cover this place, because I've wiped it so the grease is gone. I'm going to cover all these units because I'm trying to wipe them. If I finish wiping them, I'll cover them so that it will not build up again. So I'm trying not to make it build again. So this is what I'm doing. When you see me standing up here, all I get to do is to peel this thing off, and I will not have too much grease on there. And when I finish wiping this side, I will do the same thing to that side. So, alright, that's it. Because spring is on its way. If you don't start your cleaning quicker, it's gonna be too much. If you want to wait till spring before you do your deep cleaning, the house is gonna be quicker. And to polish this silver thing, usually I use baby oil, but today I don't want to get down, so I'm gonna use a normal cooking oil to just give it a nice polish and shine. What I'm going to do with the microwave is I'm going to put warm water, boiled water in there. Then I'll put a little bit of white vinegar, if I can find it. So my people, I'm going to put white vinegar in boiled water. Stick it in the microwave, just turn it on for 2 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes, and it will boil, so the steam will get all the mix out of the microwave of white vinegar. Just a little bit, like maybe a spoon. If you don't like the smell of vinegar, you can use your lime or lemon. You cut it in half, squeeze it and use it. Put it in there. Set it up. Start. So it's going to, the steam will help. So now within this side we are going to tackle this glass top. So to clean this, what I do is pick these things up. Okay, so by the time I'm done with wiping this, it's all done, so I can clean everywhere. Let's get started. So guys, these things are washed. I just leave them in water for a little. Is done. So So guys, everything is done. I'm so happy I've managed to do this. It's been something I keep procrastinating every time. I'm like, I want to clean this whole the top of the cabinet, and I've managed to do it, and everything is nicely, beautifully done. So I hope I give you a cleaning motivation, and so get up and let's clean with me, please. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new here, oh, that's Jaden's cake we had yesterday. If you're new here, a very big warm welcome to you. If you're an old friend, thank you. If you're new here, can you please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to share. Sharing is caring, guys. That's what we teach our we teach our children, that sharing is caring. So can we please share the video to a friend and a friend, so that your girl YouTube can grow. Thank you.